I spent some considerable time yesterday fixing my brakes, so hope they're better. Oops, bloody potholes. It's quite an involved procedure actually. It consisted of removing the calipers completely, taking them all to pieces, pulling all the seals out, polishing the pistons, putting new seals in, putting the pistons back in, bleeding the system out. So you can imagine it's quite a lengthy process. I hope they're fixed anyway. Keep hoping that you know, one day I'll drive off to work and it'll just be a beautiful experience. My eldest son went out yesterday on his Triumph Thruxton and went to quite a few places. One of the places he went to actually was Action Cameras, and he's bought himself a Ghost HD, which is a very nice camera, I must say. Been looking at the images that he's got from it yesterday, and they're pretty impressive. Looking forward to seeing some of his videos. Hopefully he'll be putting those videos up on YouTube, and maybe I can subscribe to him. Although he hasn't subscribed to me, so you know. Anyway, we shall see. Coming into the danger zone, known as West London. Dum-de-dum, there's the speed camera. Let's not get flashed. Well, of course I wouldn't anyway, because I never break the speed limit, obviously. Come on, love. Put your foot down. Come on! Oh, I'm sure half these people don't know what the hell to do. More wood. You like wood? I like wood. I want wood. The roof of my garage has got to be repaired, you see. And the cost of the wood is by far the most expensive thing. It's costs thousands. It's a funny thing though, actually. If you're a motorcyclist and you happen to be driving a car, nothing that a motorcycle does really annoys you that much. Well, at least it doesn't annoy me. I don't care if they're hovering on the left-hand front corner of my car, or if they happen to be going past on the inside or whatever. Literally doesn't bother me in the slightest.